Squarespace LiveChat tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a live chat into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the website of Squarespace. After that, we are going to be waiting for the website to open up its dashboard. Then we're going to head over website again, click on pages, choose the page where we're going to put the live chat. Then we're going to click on custom code, code injection. We're going to head over the header and we're going to use a website called fsite to create the widget. So this is our widget. Or Elfsite is going to be a free website to create widgets within a form of HTMLs. Basically, you do not need some basics within coding, so it is going to be basically some clicks. Then you are going to get a code you need only to embed into your website. For example, here we have chats. We are going to have AI chatbot, Facebook chat, Telegram, WhatsApp chat, for example. This is going to be the best one that you're going to get, for example, or the usual one. So we are going to have the widget. I have already created a widget, so I'm going to view it only. Then we're going to have it like this. So this is our widget. I'm going to edit it. You can go ahead and add your WhatsApp number or link. Head over the content and customize this. For example, heading over the settings, appearances, choose up this, click on publish, and we're going to, at the end, click on install. Head over embed code, click on copy code. Then we're going to be right there. I'm going to inject this code within the header. It is going to pop up just right here. Normally we're going to find it within some few seconds. It is going to pop up. If it doesn't work or it doesn't get injected, you're going to add it. Let's say I'm going to have this, not that, but basically I'm going to add it here. So I'm going to add a block, have code block, double tap on it. Normally we're going to paste our code here. This is calculator. Also, I think that I've got the error here. This is not the chatbot, but basically we're going to head over the WhatsApp, click install, copy, head over there, click on custom code injection. We've had made a mistake of a calculator there. I don't know, but it happens. Normally we're going to find the WhatsApp here. Here it is. So if we're going to preview it, this is messages. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.